today's video I'm going to be talking about buying tea parties from Honeycherry on AliExpress. I've bought 5 pairs from them now. I bought 1 pair a couple of months ago just to test them out, see if I liked them, and I decided I did, so I bought another 4. So I'm going to open them and we can have a look. So this is the original pair I bought. They're a red, cherry red, and they're just a typical, that typical AP style tea party shoe. Got the straps, buckles. One thing I have noticed with these is you have to size up. They only run up to a Chinese 42, which is about a UK 7. So if you're any bigger, it won't be much use, I'm sorry. But they're just a very standard tea party. I don't find them uncomfortable. What I did find uncomfortable was when this one arrived, it had a dent in the toe box. So I ordered the second 4 on the 29th of June and they took 3 weeks to arrive. It's just taken me a while to film. So I've already opened the packaging to make sure they were here. So they've sent them, so I've ordered 4 pairs, they sent them in 2 packets of 2. This is how they typically arrive. So you've got bubble wrap and then like the outer, once you open the bubble wrap, each shoe is in like a bag. So these are the navy ones. Oh yeah, they included a gift last time as well. So I've got some stickers. Yep, so these are my navy ones. As you can see, the toes arrived squished on this one. They do have a bit of paper in, but not quite enough to really support it. These seem to be very much the same as my red ones. I have seen people say that like the heel lifts, but I haven't found that to be a problem while wearing it, and this one is absolutely fine. They're quite nice, soft pleather, and yeah, we've got the straps and your general tea party whatnot. We'll open these ones. Yeah, this one's crushed as well. I don't know why they bother with the paper because it really doesn't do anything. So yeah, that's the navy one. It's pretty much the shade I expected it to be. We've got some slightly different light on it. There it is with the red one. These are both 42, so they should be the exact same size. I think they are. If anything, the blue might be slightly bigger. Oh no, that's because I've got it lower. There you go. Yeah, I think those are the same size. So hopefully we'll have a success with the rest. Pink. So the pink ones, they feel slightly different. They're a bit softer. Yeah, the heel has the same kind of like slight lift to it. I think it's just the way they make them. Yeah, that's a pink one versus blue one. I think they're broadly the same. I can't really see, there's no design differences, which is, you know, what I hoped for. I ordered 5 pairs of identical shoes out of the 7 colours they do. I might get the rest in time, but I just wanted enough variation, and I needed new pink shoes. I think this is the wine red. There's a colour contrast though, which I think is quite useful, because I wear a lot of cherry and I wear a lot of wine, so I wanted wine shoes. But yeah, they're definitely what I wanted. These feel a bit more sturdy than the red ones, which is really annoying. So yeah, that's one wine one. Got more stickers. Those are the stickers that were in this sheet. And yeah, there's the other one. something a little funky going on with this strap where it meets the shoe, but generally speaking it seems fine. They're not very expensive, so I didn't expect perfection. These are beige. I was hoping they would turn out to be yellow, but I think for once they're actually beige. That's the beige. This is the same softer leather as the pink ones. So the pink ones were soft, the navy, the cherry red and the bright red were kind of harder, which sounds a bit weird, but these have got they're really nice and soft. There is a bit of solidity to the toe box. We'll get the other one out. There's the other one. What is interesting is tea parties normally arrive with the heart buckles this way round, so upside down, and you have to swap them around. Oh, the only two pairs that did were these two. Yeah, broadly speaking, you know, they're all the same. Definitely all the same size. And yeah, they're just a decent shoe if you're a UK size 7 or smaller. I'll pop the link to them. I know Honey Cherry also has a lot of other shoe designs on their AliExpress store. They're relatively inexpensive, and you know, they're just a functional Lolita shoe that works, especially for sweets. Pairs of Honey Cherry tea parties, all bought from AliExpress, arrived within 3 weeks. Quality is reasonable, and yeah, if you're looking for tea parties, I would say go for it if you are within their size range. I'll see you next time.